Hi everyone, welcome back in this channel. So today you'll learn the easiest way to create an AI avatar music video without spending money. And it's perfect for YouTube, Short, TikTok or Instagram Reels. So first you can just go to a free AI avatar platform like this one, HeyGen, or maybe CapCut AI avatar. And this will let you generate avatars and sync them to music. So first you can just open the page and then here you can click on create a video, or you can also click on this one, quick avatar video, or this one, photo to video with avatar 4. So let's say I'm going to just use this one. Click on create video. Now you can just upload photo or drag and drop in here, or you can also try a sample photo, a sample avatar from the hygiene. I'm going to, let's say, use this one like this, and then you can type your script in here or upload or record audio. In here I'm going to just use this one, surprise me, and then you can also use custom motion if you want to. Then tap on generate video. And just wait for the result. And it's processing, so you can just wait and the AI will create your avatar music video. You can also add the music video by uploading it beforehand. And if you want extra effects, you can use free apps like CapCut or Canva to add transition, lyrics, or filters. And finally, you can download your AI music video, then upload it to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, on Instagram Reels to ride the trend. And that's it, you've just made a trending AI avatar music video for free. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and click on a thanks. Bye!